Some people are so lucky, they should probably be banned from casinos. Check out these crazy examples.
Filha da puta. Caralho, filha da...
This is why it's always better to use two sat-navs, one to plan the route and one for a second opinion. Here's a reminder that not all elephants are as cute as Dumbo. You certainly wouldn't find this guy at Anaheim Disneyland. Warning signs for low-flying aircraft don't usually need the word duck on them. It's okay not to be great at DIY, but you don't really want to find that out when you're hundreds of feet in the air. We've all heard of child locks, but maybe it's time lion locks were invented.
I know. There's this locked door.
Holy shit!
This is why motorcycles should have a roof, and doors, and just be a car.
Não mexe não, Daniel, não mexe não, não mexe não, fica paradinho. Ela tá com você, não mexe não, Daniel. Parado, fica paradinho, paradinho.
Luckily, this guy came out unscathed, and even more luckily, he looked pretty cool while doing it. Sometimes it feels like everything's falling down around your ears. This is why there are significantly more police cars than police boats. Never try to bully an acrobat. Should they call a mechanic or an exorcist? When there's such a bad smell in the bathroom that even the dog can't stand it.
Oh my god, get back! Fart! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Nobody on this road seems to have heard of brakes. Always stay behind the yellow line, especially if you can see two of them. That must have been one seriously heavy umbrella. It takes a special kind of stupid to carry out a hit and run on yourself. This is so wholesome we can't think of anything sarcastic to say about it. It's important to get 5 fruit and vegetables a day and a new ceiling. A clip from the new TV show, When Trees Get Drunk. It's always surprising when idiots do idiotic things and then end up looking like idiots. When shit suddenly gets real. Luckily, no one was hurt in this footage. The cliff face, however, might need some reconstructive surgery. Go home, helicopter. You're drunk. Never give the grenade to the guy with corrective lenses. This is what happens when you accidentally drive into Wonder Woman as she's out for her morning stroll. At times like these, you start wondering whether you should have paid for that breakdown insurance after all.
Holy shit, mano.
dad forgets to mention that he's Michael Jordan.
Matt wants this young fan stab that ball before it does any damage into the seats. The young lady's very appreciative.
You know how you've been meaning to prune that tree? Well... Pedra de Gavia in Rio de Janeiro is 844 meters high.
More, come on.
And she's just one slip away from being able to count every one of those meters on the way down. Sometimes you just get sick of your own house. This is what happens when you buy a JCB from a clown. Dog saves man from death by falling twig. How lucky do you have to be to fit one huge tree into one small gap? This lucky. You just know that he spent the rest of his high school career talking about this one moment. If watching this clip makes you feel slightly sick, then think about how many vomit bags the passengers must have used. The next clip is pretty harrowing if you're a dog lover, but it does have a happy ending. This is a real David and Goliath moment, except in this version, David saves Goliath rather than murdering him. Apparently, simply owning a chainsaw does not qualify you as a tree surgeon. This may be the world's greatest accidental skateboard trick. When your parking sensors suddenly stop working. This guy was lucky on 2 points, that he was followed by a careful driver and that his horse was faster than the average car. Some people discover buried treasure, whereas some people just find it lying around on rooftops. To be fair to this dog, it's hard to shout snake when all you can say is bark. Don't you hate it when you slip and almost fall down a portal leading to the underworld? This kid has reflexes that would put the Flash to shame. This feature alone is worth the price of a brand new Lamborghini. You've heard of Luck of the Irish? Well, this is a good example of the luck of the pilot. Dad was always the hot-headed one in the family. Not a drop of soup spilled. Chef level, master. This is what you call killing two birds with one stone, except they're very wet birds with scales and fins. With a graceful slide like this moose clearly has a future in contemporary dance. This is an example of how quickly the phrase, "Hey, would you like to drive my boat?" can change into the phrase, "Hey, stop driving my boat!" Even Jesus would have trouble walking on this kind of water. How do you find out you can even do this? Looks like they're gonna need a floating excavator to retrieve this floating excavator. We all want somebody to love us the way this man loves his hat.
Dude, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone, dude. No.
Wait, we don't have it.
It's gone, dude. Oh my God, he got it!
After watching so many near misses, we really don't want you to miss another video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.